Oh. Just a little panorama. Of how it's snowing over here. Batteries don't die. Oh, the car. Let's go around the back. Show you this big ass drift in the back. Here, let's see. You can see how big the drifts are over there, gas station. But check out the ones in the back here. I had to shovel off the back porch here because the back porch was completely filled in. See our basketball hoop there? That's halfway buried. And this drift here, let's see, yeah, that's how big that damn drift is. That's got to be at least, let's see, on me that would be just above my hip. It's probably about 3.5 feet, maybe a little bit less. Oh. This tree here is pretty much buried too. We had a huge ass branch. I don't know if you can see it back here, but huge ass branch break off from up there. And I'm already stuck in the snow here. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm going to take some pictures now.